Hi boys and girls, it is Miss Chenault and my dog Stella. Stella, lay down, no squirrel chasing. And I'm out here hopefully before it starts raining. And today, excuse me, today what we're gonna do, there's a lot of pollen out here. Today what we are gonna do is do self-portraits. I know a lot of you have done Mat Man, and we know when doing self-portraits that you have one face, two eyes, one nose, one mouth, two arms, two legs, and a body. So today we're gonna make, the first thing I did is I walked all around my yard and I got all kinds of different things. I got twigs and sticks and pine cones and rocks and pine straw, and everything's gonna blow away, which might be a problem, but, and I got some clippings off my bushes. So we're gonna do a self-portrait. So I think I'm going to use the rocks, and I'm going to start with a face, okay? And I am going to do a circle using the rocks, and hopefully I have enough. There's not a lot of rocks. Sit down. Sit down, Stella. Sit. Stay. Good girl. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Okay. Lay down. Nope, you cannot eat the rocks. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna keep doing this with my rocks, making a circle. And I hope I have enough. I had a problem finding rocks in my yard. So we can always use different things if we run out of rocks, but we might have enough. So if you can see, I have made a circle. And this is going to be our head. So the next thing we need is two eyes. What can I use for eyes? I think what I'm gonna use is, I found these little bark pieces. Let's see, actually these are sort of round. Let's see if I can make that round. Oh, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna use these little bark pieces, and there's my two eyes. So now I need one nose. So what can I use? Let's see. Let's use a leaf for the nose. There we go. And then we need one mouth. Okay, Stella, don't mess up my person. And so I'm gonna use a mouth like that. So now I have my head. I can even add, I'm gonna go ahead and add two ears just because. Okay, nope. Okay, so let's see. For my body, I'm just gonna put a bunch of sticks next to each other to make somewhat of a thick body. Oh, we're losing stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna put all this next to each other, some straight lines down to be my body. Let me get some more. Okay, let's get a few more. And here, there is my body. Looking pretty good. All right, now I need, oh, my nose flew away. Now I need legs, and the best thing, let's get two long legs, because Miss Chenault has long legs. And this is a self-portrait. So, there's my legs, and I think we're gonna have a problem. I'll show you this at the end if you can't see it right there. All right, definitely pine cones for the feet right here. All right, and what are we missing? Does anyone know what we're missing? Arms, gotta have arms. So here, this is perfect. Ooh, look, and there's a hand right there. So Stella, can you move a little bit? Oh, there's one arm, and there's another arm. I am loving my self-portrait. And because most of these days, my hair's been a little crazy, so I'm gonna do some crazy hair. What about that? This is about how my hair looks sometimes in the morning when I get up these days. Could do that. Stella, don't mess up my picture. Oh, one more, perfect. All right, and let's do this. This is some really crazy hair, but I'm liking it. Okay, so there we go. Voila. the new Miss Chenault made from everything from nature. So let me make sure you can see this whole thing. And there, right there, is my self-portrait. Isn't it awesome? Please do go out in nature, find some things in your yard and do a self-portrait. It could be smaller than this, it could be bigger than this, but please send me your self-portraits to amyc@prumc.org. Hope y'all are doing great. See you soon. Stella, say goodbye.